Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Microsoft Teams, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To activate Microsoft Teams, begin by ensuring you have a valid Microsoft 365 account. Open your web browser and navigate to the Microsoft Teams website. Click on the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your email address associated with your Microsoft 365 account. Click on the Next button. Type your password in the provided field. Click on the Sign In button again to access your account. Once logged in, locate the Download section for Microsoft Teams. Click on the Download button to begin the installation process. After the download is complete, locate the downloaded file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the downloaded file to start the installation. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Once installed, launch Microsoft Teams from your applications or desktop. Enter your email address once more when prompted. Click on Sign In and enter your password again. After signing in, you may be prompted to set up your profile. Follow the prompts to customize your settings and preferences. Once setup is complete, you will be taken to the Microsoft Teams main interface. You are now ready to start using Microsoft Teams for collaboration and communication. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.